This video shows how to use the Oppkey THETA API test kit, ATK, to test exposure program settings. If you're using the RICOH THETA API to build an app that controls the camera, you'll probably want to be able to set exposure. There are 5 different values. After setting the initial value, you can then set ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. In other words, it's basically a 2-step process. The one exception is normal program, value 2, which sets ISO, shutter speed, and aperture all automatically. The Oppkey THETA API test kit are tools we use internally to test camera behavior such as exposureProgram and a lot more. We get questions from RICOH partners every week and update this API test kit regularly in order to help more people, like you, every week. Okay, let's take a look at exposureProgram. I've connected a Theta Z1 using a second Wi-Fi network on my Windows 10 laptop. I've downloaded and installed the Windows binary. I'm running it here. I'll do a quick test to see if I'm connected. I press the info button. Yep, looks good. I'm going to the hamburger menu and switching to the screen with Z1 specific settings. Here's exposureProgram. You can set it to manual. Manual is value 1. And then you set aperture. I'm setting it to f2.1, f3.5, f5.6. It works. What happens if exposureProgram is set to aperture, value 3? Also good, as you might expect. But what if it's set to normal, value 2? You get an error. Okay, that's it for exposureProgram. It's not hard to get the hang of it. But with the ATK, it's nice to be able to test the settings quickly. Also, one last note. Exposure settings can be set for both image and video shooting mode. Shooting settings are retained separately. Okay, thanks for watching. If you find this info useful, please subscribe to the Theta360.guide channel and leave us a comment letting us know.